Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert line numbers in Microsoft Word document. So click on this layout tab and here is the option line numbers. Click here and select any settings, continues. So we can see every line has the number. See in this document 1000 plus lines. You will see this information here like 44 pages and 12,000 words, and there are some more options. Restart each page. So every page has different line numbers. Like this page has 28, 26 page. Similarly, this page has 27 lines. So every page will start with new line number if you select this one. So this way guys, you can insert line numbers, just two step. Select this layout tab, line numbers, and select any option. Thanks for watching, and guys, here if you want to remove this line numbers, so again click here and select none, like this. So this way you can remove line numbers.